Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm the one who's gonna be cooking Christmas dinner. So, I'm gonna be doing some rice and peas. I'm gonna be doing some stewed pork. I'm gonna be doing some stewed chicken, and I'm gonna be doing some lobster. So, stay tuned, guys. I'm just turning the camera a bit. Now I'm gonna be washing the peas. I wash the peas thoroughly because that's the first thing you do when you're gonna be cooking rice and peas. Giving this a good wash. Really hard chef, long time. Mm-hmm. I did this thing for years, man. Might not do it professionally, but years experience as a yard chef. We'll put on a piece for the fire now. Okay, so I've already pre-seasoned the pork, chicken. Just have to get the lobsters ready. Okay, guys, so I've went ahead and preheated some oil in this pot. Now I'm gonna be adding in my pork. Allow that to saute a bit. Yeah, just to, get the cooking going. Yeah, peeps, the peas, when you cook them, then we season the quite from the rice and peas. So, some salt first. Add, uh, thyme. Really quick. Then the rice and peas spices never add. One step right. One step right. Now time to make a coconut right now. Juice and all that. Too long. I try to put it in, stir it all the time. Stir. So bring everything back to a boil, Use the boil, coconut milk powder, get it on pan. Wash the rice down. Like I say, anything good, really, really, really good. I can already put up with it. Serious. Professional. For a long time. That right, that's story of the time. Peter Rain from this report. Third trading graph together. And keep it as possible. Every hard up to report. Otherwise, that'll be rice and peas. I wash them. And I rice and peas. Change our story report. Alright, so remember, I'm telling you now, as soon as the pot start bubble, which it is right now, we reduce the heat, let the rice steam, Yeah. Alright. Turn on flame now. Use the heat right down to the lowest. Yeah, with the rice, you want to cook to perfection. Yeah, look here, guys. How everything look. See there? Some rice and peas there. Stew pork here, guys. We'll put some seasoning on this, put up some carrot, Irish, onion, add to it. And stew chicken will come on too. Just not too long put it on it, so I reach now it still. So you see it'll still look raw, see I'm reach now and I'm cooking it, people. But I tell you, it smell amazing. Really, really good. Stir this up real quick. Yeah, so right now I do some seasoning, for the brown stew, pork and the chicken. Now do some onion, do some Irish potato. And I'm gonna do some carrot. The tomato. And I go on some more onion, see me. I shall put the onion now, I'm gonna do it too. So, alright. I'll do one carrot for the stew chicken. Alright, so let's scrape the carrot here. Wash everything. Rinse off my knife. Cut this up now. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding in my seasonings. I'm gonna be adding some tomatoes, onions, carrots, and Irish potato. So I'm gonna be adding my tomatoes first, and onions, and Irish potato, and finally the carrots. Okay, just gonna give this a little stir. Get everything incorporated together. How does it look so far, guys? Looking lovely. Type yes in the comment section if you agree that this really looks lovely. Good day, everyone. At this point in time, I just want to take the time out to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Big up, people. One love. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.